TikTok is currently the most popular short video platform globally, and many children are also addicted to it. However, there is a lot of inappropriate content on this platform. This requires parents to set up parental control features to make TikTok safer for their children. Method 1. Set up restricted mode on your child's phone. Go to their TikTok profile, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy, tap on Content Preferences, and turn on Restricted Mode. Restricted mode filters out potentially inappropriate content, ensuring a safer browsing experience for children. Method 2. Manage screen time. Similarly, go to Settings and Privacy, open Screen Time, and set limits on the amount of time your child can spend on TikTok each day. This promotes healthy screen habits. However, both of these methods can be disabled by the child themselves. This video will teach you 2 other methods that children cannot easily bypass. Method 3. Use MoniMaster. MoniMaster is a tool that provides advanced features and monitoring capabilities to enhance your TikTok parental controls, such as TikTok keyword alerts. MoniMaster sends you immediate alerts when your child encounters inappropriate keywords. Real-time invisible monitoring. You can track their posts, comments, followers, and the content they interact with to ensure their online safety. TikTok data export. MoniMaster allows you to export TikTok data, including search history and watch history, providing you with comprehensive insights into your child's interactions on the platform. Method 4. Use family pairing on your child's phone. Go to their profile, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Family Pairing. Tap Continue, then tap Teen, and tap Next. At the same time, open your TikTok account on your phone, tap on Family Pairing, and then tap Parent. Your child's device will prompt and confirm the link. Now, you will be able to manage your child's TikTok account. Access these settings by tapping on the three-dot menu, scrolling down to Family Pairing, and then tapping on the linked account. We hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like and comment.